Hi everyone, hope all of you are doing well and being safe at your home. I'm Sandhya here with your moral science class. We are really gifted with lots of talents and self confidence, but sometimes we lose everything and we feel completely blank. In that time, we need motivation from someone or through others' inspiring life. So, in this session, we are going to discuss about some inspiring life who will motivate us. What is meant by inspiration? It's a feeling of enthusiasm you get from someone or something that gives you new and creative ideas. Or else we can tell that it's a feel of deep rooted passion and motivation to do something. There are many other people who have become role models for us through their lives, meeting challenges which ordinary people like us would have been afraid of. Their life stories are capable of inspiring us into action by creating a positive mental attitude. First, we'll see Aristotle. He was a Greek philosopher and teacher of Alexander the Great. All are very familiar with Alexander, no? Okay. And moreover, he was a student of famous philosopher Plato. He was considered to be one of the founder of Western philosophy. And if we see much about him, he had an extensive knowledge in all branches of science at that time. The progress of everything begin with knowledge. So Aristotle has given us the meaning and purpose of life in his words. He had given through our words, happiness is the meaning and the purpose of life, the whole aim and the end of human existence. What you can understand from his words? He mentioned or he given an idea that if we are finding happiness from our life, that is the whole aim and the end of our life. So that was his vision and his value towards the mankind. And we have another person, Leonardo da Vinci. He is considered as the most versatile genius of all time. What is meant by versatile genius? That means under the sky he knows everything. It is really amazing to know that a human being can excel in so many different fields in one lifetime. That is Leonardo da Vinci. When we grew up, we may have to perform different roles in life at the same time. So we need to realize that it is very much possible to do different things even when we are students. You just consider us teachers. We are teaching you at the same time we are managing our home. We have different roles as a teacher, as a homemaker, as a mother. So a same person or a single person doing different work at the same time, especially during this lockdown time and online classes. We are also staying at home. Same time at the same second we have to do all these roles together. So we have to practice, or we are really talented as human beings. We are really talented to do different work at the same time. So our next famous person is Vincent van Gogh. Do you know who is he? He's a famous painter. His painting has been valued at millions of dollars. But Van Gogh spent his life in extremely poverty and could sell only one of his paintings. That also to a friend. He was a very great painter, but he couldn't sell any of his painting. But at present, his painting valued at millions of dollars. When we also feel or face some challenges, we always forget about our potential. So don't do that. We should be always powerful with our potential to overcome the difficulties which you face in your life. So, Van Gogh has written a book named Lust of Life. It encourages us to face the challenges with confidence. Do you know this person? He's a very famous person. He is the founder of Disneyland. We all are really fond of Mickey Mouse, Donald Duck, and all those characters, right? No? We really enjoy the imagination of Walt Disney. I will say some interesting facts about him. He was fired by a news editor, and the reason was lack of imagination. Can you believe it? Before making Wonder by creating Disney World, 302 times he was turned down. Can you imagine that? But what we people will do once, twice, maximum three times we will get up and we'll try to continue our work. We cannot or we never wait for this 300 or 400 times, right? No. But finally, after all these challenges, he won his aim or he achieved his dream and it became the world's famous all-time cartoon characters and it is one of my favorite cartoon characters. Do you like Harry Potter movies? Anyway, I like it very much. And I hope you know the author of this Harry Potter movies. Who is that? J.K. Rowling. She's a lady. She's a divorced lady and has a child. She didn't get her fame in 1 second. She wrote the first Harry Potter book on an old manual typewriter. And she approached so many publishers to publish her work. 12 publishers rejected the manuscript. But the 13th one accepted with some condition. Her life also teaches don't get upset when you are rejected. Try to reach your goals till the end. The final victory is yours. Our next person is Abraham Lincoln, the greatest famous American president. He born into poverty and before being elected as an American president, he lost 8 elections and 2 times he failed in his business. If this happens with us, done. We feel lost. But Abraham Lincoln, with his determination to fight even in adverse conditions, brought him success at the end. So he teaches that the determination can make lots of change in our life. In this session, we are going to discuss about the last person, Helen Keller. She is very familiar to everyone. The life story of Helen Keller is probably the most inspiring to all those who face different types of blocks in progressing towards success and happiness. She was a famous humanitarian, political activist, and the first deaf and blind person to graduate. Her life was devoted to the welfare of handicapped people, especially blind ones, and women's rights. She is known around the world as a symbol of courage in the face of huge challenges. Actually, Helen Keller didn't born with all these disabilities. She got a fever when she was only at 19 months old. Helen was extremely intelligent and tried to understand her surrounding through touch, smell, and taste. But she was not able to communicate with others and she was really frustrated. By that time, she got a teacher, Annie Sullivan. Actually, that teacher made changes in her life. So Helen Keller used to tell that the day which teacher came in her life as her soul's birthday. With dedication, patience, courage, and love. Miss Sullivan was able to develop the intelligence and abilities of Helen. With the help of the teacher, she learned to communicate and became graduate. After graduation, she went to help the deaf and blind, and she met US presidents during her time. She wrote numerous books, articles, drawing attention of the world on the problems faced by the blind and need for preventive measures. She got numerous awards, honors, honorary degree, and everything. So her life teaches the best and most beautiful things in the world cannot be seen or even touched. It must be felt with the heart. There are so many other people. So when we analyze all these stories, one thing becomes very clear. It is sheer determination and confidence on the face of continuous failure that lead to the ultimate success. There is no success without failure. So when you face failure in your life, don't be afraid. Don't move backward. Be confident. Understand, realize your potential. Make your potential as your weapon and fight and achieve your goals. Win your dreams. Always be motivated and inspired by reading others' life. Hope all of you will do that. Thank you.